The emergence of reliable, easy-to-fly drones over the last few years has been a boon for train fans. Video from angles and locations previously just not possible has opened up. However, things don't always go as planned. In this latest edition of From the Cutting Room Floor, we present some examples. First, some that didn't go as expected. Then what happens when a drone behaves badly. And finally, some drone flying muppetry. Just a little bit east from Hamilton Point is a favorite train fan location. The setup initially looked promising, looking down the valley towards Chama. The veteran train fan will see what's coming, but a combination of slow speed and the wind direction meant it was not to be. The plan here, once we had focus, was to slowly fly towards the oncoming train, arriving at the same time as the locomotives take the left-hand curve towards Dalton Crossing. All very cinematic, but again, it was not to be. What to say about this clip? I don't know. Perhaps muppetry might be appropriate. Anyway, perhaps I should have also checked where the trees were. The good news is, while taking the best part of that day to find and then recover from the tree, the drone survived and is flying to this day.